Have you ever wondered what set entrepreneurs apart from intrapreneurs? Entrepreneurs اللي هم رواد الأعمال اللي بيعملوا شركات بنفسهم، وانتربرنورز دول الموظفين اللي بيتصرفوا كأنهم رواد أعمال داخل الشركات. Each path can shape your influence in the business world. Entrepreneurship is all about launching something new from the ground up, spotting a market opportunity, crafting a bold solution, and taking on that edge of a seat risk to bring a vision to life. These trailblazers build innovative services, products, or even entirely new business models that can reshape entire industries. Intrapreneurship, on the other hand, is about sparking innovation within an existing organization, زي الموظفين جوه Gammal Tech. At Gammal Tech, entrepreneurs harness the power of established resources, collaborative teams, and a strong brand reputation to drive transformative ideas. They might reinvent a process, launch a new product line, or even introduce a fresh way of thinking, all under the umbrella of a stable company.